I'm going to show you one of the two demos in this video, and this is for a bladed system. The PICMIG Standards Organization has a bladed system architecture known as Advanced TCA, but it could be just about any bladed system. And a bladed system means you have a bunch of computers on boards that plug into a box. And in the back of the box, there's some sort of connectivity that connects all the boards together. So these might be like server class boards with lots of memory and big processors on them. They all can communicate across that board in the back, so you don't have to do any cabling. Now, if you were local, that's what this window here shows you. You could plug into the back of this box and you could get a feed of what's going on. And if I start pulling boards out, you can see that that feed shows the log that something's happening to these boards. And I can plug the boards back in and it generates lots of events. But if you want to do system management or hardware platform management of a lot of these boxes, you don't want to have to go to each one of those boxes. It would be much better for you to simply grab that data from some other remote location and grab all of that data at once. And what I want to show you is with the specifications that we are working on, you can actually do that. So this is just a web browser, and you can see I have gotten into the endpoints for this box. And this is a specification or API known as Redfish from another standards organization called the DMTF, or Distributed Management Task Force. And it has a very regular way of presenting endpoints, and also they define the data, the schema or the shape of the data that gets presented. So by using that specification, we were easily able to create a dashboard. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit using, this was done in Ruby, and we've already authenticated. Let's authenticate again. And you can see now the chassis view. You can see the blades in the system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're all enabled. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chassis in demo mode, which means it's just going to start randomly popping handles and doing craziness. So I'm just going to type demo down here. Now it's in demo mode, and it's going to start popping handles. So we'll give it a second. And there we go. There's a first handle popped. And if we watch over here, through the API, we're scanning the state of the system remotely, and you can see the blades are being disabled. And if we wait longer, we'll see other state changes. So that's it in a nutshell. It's kind of a simple concept to show that we can track state changes on a box remotely. But really, the cool thing is that this is using industry standard data structures or schema, industry standard API, and it's interfacing another completely different industry standard, Advanced TCA, using those things. So demo number 1, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will show you demo number 2 soon.